Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. My desire is to help you transform your space from house to home. Hey guys, okay, so we are in the family room. This is how it went down last night. We lounged and binge watched on our favorite TV show, Power. Caught up on season 5 to kick off season 6. And so yeah, it went it went down, honey, and this is how we left it. So let's get cracking. Okay, guys, we are getting things put in order. I'm putting everything away. And while I am doing so, I am pondering on what to bring into this space for the fall season. This is around Labor Day weekend. Actually, it is Labor Day weekend. And that to me means full fall decor mode. So as I'm cleaning, I'm pondering on the vibe or feel I want to create in this space. And also, because it's fall season rolling in, I like to do a deep clean every season. I know a lot of people do spring cleaning, but honey, I do spring cleaning, summer cleaning, fall, and winter. Every season, I go in and do an in-depth cleaning, as you see me do here. I got my 360 Swiffer wand, and I am cleaning my ceiling fans. And I go from top to bottom. I'm going to be cleaning this ceiling fan first with the Swiffer, and then I will come in with something damp. And I've used many methods, but this works best for me. It's the handy dandy Clorox wipes, you guys. I'll go in with those and give each blade and the motor and the bulbs a nice wipe down to make everything clean and fresh. You'll be surprised at how much dust accumulates in your home. Even if you're not in an area that is dusty, it's just dust accumulates. So for me, this is the best way to get everything nice, clean, and refreshed. And then once I am finished with the ceiling fan, I like to go out throughout my entire room and hit every corner, the windows, and get everything just nice and spruced up here. Normally I would do this with the lights off, but because of recording, I kept the lights on so you guys could see what I am doing. Now that that's complete, let's move on to the windows. I like to give my windows, you guys, a nice dusting and cleaning. I open them up and clean them as well. Clean the windows. That part I didn't record, but I did do that as well. This Swiffer one, you guys, is amazing. It has the adjustable stick, so it allows me to reach into high places. I hit every nook and cranny with this bad boy. Now moving downward, removing everything out of the space that doesn't belong, and I'm proceeding on with the cleaning. We had the nephews over for a pizza and popcorn party, and as I suspected, the little crumb snatchers left crumbs everywhere, but I love them, so I don't mind cleaning up behind them. So here I am taking my Bissell vac, you guys. I picked this up from Walmart for $19.99. It is a broom vac with the adjustable or detachable hand vac, as you see me using here. It's so convenient. And I'm just going in, cleaning out all the dust and debris. Just making sure everything gets nice and clean. Detail cleaning from, again, top to bottom. And I am rotating my cushions. You guys know I do that from time to time when I'm cleaning. So in addition to that, I am so in love with this microfiber, you guys. We put a Scotch Guard on the sofa set when we purchased it, but this microfiber allows you to just simply wipe things away if they get dirty. So if you have little ones, this will be ideal, the microfiber material, or definitely do a Scotch Guard on whatever fabric, whatever color you purchase. So that's down. Now let's get to decorating. What I'm doing is just removing color. I'm taking away the cerulean because I want to do something different in this space. So as you see, I'm going to be cleaning, and then we'll go into the decorating portion of it. But fluffing out those pillows, they're nice and neutral so they can stay. Moving on to the love seat, I'm going to do the same. Okay, guys, while I am cleaning or you watching me cleaning, hopefully you're motivated and you're up cleaning or thinking about cleaning as well. But I want to know, what do you guys do for fall? Do you do in-depth decor or do you do splashes of decor here and there? Do you change out for the seasons? And if so, what colors are you bringing in for this fall season? For me, I am doing a glamorous pumpkin patch, but in the family room, I wanted a warm and cozy feel. So I'm thinking of what colors to incorporate into this space to do that. You can do it with any color, but I'm just kind of contemplating on what to do. So let me know what you guys do for the fall. And if you do traditional fall or if you do certain themes, I would love to hear what you guys do during this season. Okay, guys, because I'm doing an in-depth cleaning, I normally do my mopping or my steaming at night. I don't know why. I just feel better doing it at nighttime, but this is in the middle of, well, this is morning time actually, but I am doing the Swiffer Wet Jet. I love this. They have the new citrus scent that smells really, really refreshing. So I am going over the floors with that. I love the solution attached to the bottle. You can just, you know, disperse whatever you need and mop and proceed on. So now that that is done, let's get to the fun part. Okay, fam, so now that the room is all clean, I've got a clean slate here. It's just nice and neutral. I'm gonna go ahead and, I thought about changing out the curtains, but let me show you guys what I'm gonna do. So I did a haul of what I already had, an unboxing if you will. And to my surprise, I had this beautiful pillow. I absolutely love it. And I purchased it last year for my former living room. But this year I wanted to switch things up a bit. And I thought this would be so perfect, you guys, for my family room. Look at those beautiful colors. I love the grays, the oranges, absolutely perfect. So that's, you guys, what's my jump off point. So this, you guys, is the color for the fall in this particular space. So now let's decorate. You guys, I like it, but I'm not loving it. Something just feels not quite right. So give me a minute. Let me make some changes. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I made some quick changes, and I want to give you a few designer tips to help you transition your space from season to season without breaking the bank. You guys, I just made some simple swaps throughout my home, and voila, I gave my family room a nice, cozy, warm, and inviting vibe for fall. I'm going to go in and tell you guys all the details of what I did to swap out. I simply made a big change. As you know, this room was typically the cerulean and charcoal is the color in this space. And upon designing it, I felt like the teal was a little bit forced in the space. So I decided to make some changes. Didn't have to go far. I simply went to my guest bathroom, swapped out the curtains in there, and made this change. I brought in the gray curtains here. And what I did, you guys, this is really, really cool, I think. I love the texture on these curtains, but if you look closely, I actually reversed them. In my bathroom, I used the pewter side, and on the flip side, it has this nice shimmery charcoal and pewter design. So I felt like that would really, really tie in with this space. So I simply changed them out. This is another reason why I always use curtains in my bathrooms as opposed to traditional shower curtains, because it gives you the versatility to change out your space without, breaking the bank. So I made that quick change, and that, guys, created that nice calm palette that I wanted, because I wanted the orange to pop out. And the cerulean color is such a strong color that it kind of overpowered the orange to me in this space. And so I just simply removed my lamp shades. Another quick change. These were the shades that originally came on the lamps, and I added the cerulean shades just to bring in that color throughout the space. I simply put back those shades, which again tie in beautifully with everything in this room. I am so loving it. I love, love, love the end result, you guys. I love my pillows here. Those gray pillows are pretty standard in this space, and I simply swapped out the cerulean pillows for the gray and the thankful pillow on the sofa. And then moving over up on my sconces. Now these sconces was that traditional darker brown color, and I just gave them a nice sprucing over some time ago, and I just added a pumpkin and a floral pick there to bring in that orange in this space. I think it's important when you're adding a splash of color to make sure that that color dances around the room, so everywhere your eye looks, you see that color, and it makes everything feel more cohesive. So here I just did the same thing on that side. Everything is very symmetrical in the space. I absolutely love it. And then down on our dresser slash console table or entertainment table, I added some Walmart pumpkins that I've had for several seasons. And you guys, these floor picks are so old, but they're still available at Hobby Lobby. I just pulled them out and just added two to flank the TV, and voila, nice splash of color there. And so to bring the color on this wall, I added another pillow, kept the throw and the gray pillow the same. That space was completed. And so then moving over to the bar area, I wanted to dance this color around as well. So I simply just took one of my blankets, covered up the cerulean little storage box I had, added some gray and orange pillows, and there you have it. To get that color up on this space, I pulled in another floral pick. Not a big change here, but it still allowed that color to dance all over the space. So I am done. I have one space down, 2 more spaces to go. This space will be the only traditional color in the home, but I just felt like it was just warm and cozy, and it was the perfect addition to this room. Another good reason for using neutral furniture pieces, it allows you to be versatile in your design. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you see what you like and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my TMB family. I would love to have you here. And I would love to interact with you on my other social media sites, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So until the next video, have a blessed and beautiful fall day. Smooches.